sanitization, what we did was on Sunday, in association with the fire force. So Bosco Ferrang, who's the station fire officer of MAPSA, he came and brought his own team over here with fire tenders. So we use 1% hypochlorite solution to sanitize all the places, the corridors, the walls of the shops, the streets also over here. So that in addition to the municipal market, we have also covered the subyard, the government offices, the Mambada's office, collectorate, the municipal office, and also the police station today. Today they did the police station and the subyard.
District hospital and also district hospital again.
District hospital also has been done.